Today we're going to take a look at the TnT RCD, our best value portable appliance tester with residual current device testing. Designed and made in Australia to make AS/NZS 3760 testing quick and easy, the TnT RCD is ideal for lower volume appliance and RCD testing. The TnT RCD is really easy to use with preset test procedures. These include Class 1, which is an earth bond and insulation at 250 or 500 volts. Class 2, insulation at 250 or 500 volts. Extension leads and power boards, earth bond, insulation, polarity and continuity. Earth leakage tests, and trip time and ramp current tests for testing both portable and fixed RCDs. There also includes a meter mode for measuring current, voltage and power of an appliance, and a mains power supply test. Testing is as simple as connecting your test leads, and selecting your test. The TnT RCD will run through the different tests required under the standard, showing the various readings on screen, and will give you a pass or fail result. One feature that is really handy is the new RCD testing design. That means that you can test portable RCDs without external isolation transformers or worrying about tripping the mains RCD. The TnT RCD features an internal lithium-ion battery, allowing you to conduct Class 1, Class 2 and extension lead tests on battery power. You can test up to 3,000 items per charge, plus you can charge it for only 4 hours and then get straight back to work. You can use the TnT RCD on mains power for all tests as well. The TnT RCD comes in 10 amp and 20 amp current capacity versions, so you can choose the option that fits your need and budget. The TnT RCD comes with test leads, a power lead and a 12-month calibration certificate, all contained in an easy-to-carry Wavecom bag. With a 3-year conditional warranty, a great range of guides and videos, plus ongoing customer support from me and the rest of our sales and support team, the TnT RCD is a fantastic budget-friendly option for appliance and RCD testing. To learn more about our range of portable appliance testers and software solutions, visit our website www.wavecom.com.au.